Today we'll see the definition of hyperbola today. Next. Find the equation of hyperbola with axis is coordinate axis and distance between directrix, distance between foci is 16 and E is equal to root 2. Solution: given distance between foci, which is 2AE. Okay, distance between foci is what, sir? 2AE is equal to how much? 16. So A is equal to 8 and given E is equal to what, sir? Root 2. Therefore A into root 2 is equal to 8, or A is equal to 8 by root 2. So A is equal to 4 root 2. What is A value? 4 root 2. So we have to use this formula. A is equal to 4 root 2. Therefore E formula, root of A square plus B square by A square. Therefore E value how much he has given? 2, root 2. Root 2 is equal to A square means what, sir? 16 into 2, 32. 32 plus B square by 32. So square both the sides. 2 is equal to 32 plus B square by 2. So cross multiplication. 64 is equal to 32 plus B square. So B square is equal to 32. B is equal to root 32. Again 4 root 2 will come. So what is the hyperbola equation? Is equal to x square by A square minus y square by B square is equal to 1. So x square by A square means 32. Y square by B square means 32 is equal to 1. So here formula applications are. Okay. Please note on this. Next, find the equation of normal at theta is equal to pi by 3 for x square, 3x square minus 4y square is equal to what? So 3x square by 12 minus 4y square by 12 is equal to 1. So what is that we get? X square by 4, y square by 3 is equal to 1. What is A square value? 4, B square value 3. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to root 3. Okay, theta is equal to how much A has given? Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Right? Now, equation of normal at p theta. Formula is what, sir? P theta is what? Ax by secant theta plus by tan sin tan theta is equal to A square plus B square. So this formula you have to apply. What is A value? 2. 2x by secant 60 plus by B is what, sir? Root 3 y by tan 60 is equal to A square plus B square, 4 plus 3. So secant 60 means 2 plus root 3 y by tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 7. So 2 will get cancelled, root 3 will get cancelled. X plus y is equal to 7. 2 marks question, sir. He can give you for 2 marks. Okay. Please note down this. Find the equations of tangents to hyperbola x square minus 4y square is equal to 4, 1. Parallel to perpendicular to the line x plus 2y is equal to 0. Solution. Now equation of tangents in slope form. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square. Right? This is a formula. Slope form we are taking. Now, what is the equation? 4. So, x square by 4 is equal to 1. So, x square by 4, y square by 1. So, what is the a square value? 4. What is the b square value? 1. Right? We got a square, b square. Now, first condition is what? Parallel to x plus 2y is equal to 0. So, m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So, minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is what you have to. Therefore, y is equal to m value, how much we got? Plus or minus root of a square. A square means 4 into whole square plus b square is what? 1. So, this becomes y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus or minus 4 will get cancelled. Sorry, a square minus b square. So, this becomes 4. 1 by 4 will come. 1 minus 1, 0. So, what will happen? Y is equal to minus 1 by 2x. Second condition is what, sir? Perpendicular to x plus 2y. So, m is equal to 0. M is equal to y coefficient by x coefficient. That is 2 by 1, 2. Therefore, y is equal to 2x plus or minus root of a square. What is a square value? 4 into 2 square minus 1. 2x plus or minus 16 minus 1. So, root 15. Right? So, a square m square minus b square formula application, put the values. Okay. Right? One more problem is there. What is one more problem? Please note down this. One more problem. Find the equation of tangents to 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 12, which are parallel and perpendicular to line y is equal to x minus 7. Again same. Now y is equal to mx plus c. So what will happen? 3x square minus 4y square is equal to 12. So 3x square by 12, 4y square by 12 is equal to 1. X square by 4, y square by 3 is equal to 1. So what is the a square value? 4. B square value 3. Right? And first condition is what? Parallel to y is equal to x minus 7, that is x minus 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. So what is the m value? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So what will happen? Minus 1 by minus 1, which is 1, because x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 1. So m is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to x plus or minus root of a square. A square is what, sir? 4. 4 into 1 square minus b square is 3. So y is equal to x plus or minus 4 minus 3 is 1. Second condition, perpendicular to y is equal to x minus 7, which is nothing but x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. M is equal to y coefficient by x coefficient. So minus 1 by 1, which is minus 1. So y is equal to minus x plus or minus a square means 4 into minus 1 square minus 3. So minus x plus or minus 1. So these two problems are very very important: parallel, perpendicular, and condition. Okay, let us see next two. If Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 is the tangent for x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, then show that n square. Okay, now solution. Now equation of the tangent, these conditions are very very important in ellipse also. The equation of tangent at p theta is what, sir? Ax by secant theta minus by by tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Ax by secant theta minus by by tan theta, sorry, x secant theta by a minus y tan theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the tangent equation? X secant theta by a minus y tan theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0. And line equation, Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. So he has given tangent equation x secant theta by a minus y tan theta by b minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. This is the first equation. Compare, sir. Secant theta by a by L minus tan theta by b by m is equal to minus 1 by n. So secant theta by Al is equal to minus tan theta by bm is equal to minus 1 by n. Therefore, secant theta by Al is equal to minus 1 by n, minus tan theta by bm is equal to minus 1 by n. So secant theta is equal to what, sir? Minus Al by n. And what is tan theta? Here minus sign will get cancelled. Tan theta is equal to bm by n. So therefore, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So a square L square by n square minus b square m square by n square is equal to 1. Therefore, a square L square minus b square m square is equal to n square. So apply the condition, put the values. Okay, right? Now let us see. If Lx plus my is equal to 1 is normal for hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, then show that a square by L square minus b square by m square is equal to a square minus b square whole square. Okay, this is a formula. A square plus b square by a square plus b square whole square. Now solution. Equation of normal at p theta is ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. Call it as equation number 1. Given, what is the line equation? Lx plus my is equal to 1. Second equation. Compare again. A by secant theta by L is equal to b by tan theta by m is equal to a square plus b square by 1. Therefore, a by L secant theta b by m tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, a by L secant theta is equal to a square plus b square. Bring a square b square this side. So a by L into a square plus b square is equal to secant theta. Similarly, b by m tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. Therefore, b by m into a square plus b square is equal to tan theta. Therefore, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So, a secant square theta means what, sir? A square by L square into a square plus b square whole square. What is tan square theta? b square by m square into a square plus b square whole square is equal to 1. Now what is he asking? A square by L square. So what is that we have to? A square by L square minus b square by m square is equal to a square plus b square whole square. So what we have done? Apply the formula. Okay, tangent normal. Okay, please note down. Show that angle between asymptotes of a hyperbola is equal to 1 is 2 tan inverse b by a or 2 secant inverse e. Now, equation of asymptotes, I gave the formula, sir. Asymptotes is y is equal to plus or minus b by a x. Means what? It will be like this. I told you diagrammatically. So this is theta, this is theta. Therefore, angle is 2 theta, right? Now what is the given equation? Y is equal to b by ax and y is equal to minus b by ax. One is plus angle, one is minus angle. We know y is equal to mx. It is in the form of y is equal to mx. So what is the m value? B by a. What is the m value? B by a. Therefore, we know m is nothing but tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to what, sir? B by a. What is the tan theta is equal to b by a. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse b by a. Therefore, angle is 2 theta 2 into tan inverse b by a. 2 tan inverse b by a, right? Next, again, tan theta is equal to what, sir? B by a. What is secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. So, it is 1 plus b square by a square. So, secant theta is nothing but root of a square plus b square by a square, which is we know e. Secant square theta is the 1 plus tan square theta, which is nothing but 1 plus b square by a square. Secant theta is equal to a square plus b square by a square. We know this formula is e. Therefore, theta is equal to secant inverse e. Therefore, angle is what, sir? 2 theta. That is 2 secant inverse e. Second part, first part. First part is this one and second part is this. Okay. With this, we have finished hyperbola. Now, I gave already syllabus for your quarterly examination. Okay. Now, up to here your portion is there. There are 2 chapters left over. We will discuss that later. Okay.